Good morning. Today is my last day here in Springfield, Ohio, so I decided to stop by Springfield Antique Center on my way to the Heart. So let's go in and see what they got. Last time I pulled out a massive epic haul from here, and I'm excited to see what's new. Well, I think I see my first thing. It's that coin dot opalescent vase with the blue trim. That's really unusual. $20 on that. Now that's a great deal. Check this out. 4 teak candles, candle holders, $24. But I'm really into this shoe, actually. What is that? That's different. Here's my next one. Check this out. The Blinko leaf bowl. It's only $25. And I love this. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. The World War II gambling card. It's really unusual. Great graphic, too. Check that out. The Fenton pedestal candy dish. That looks like it's your uranium, too. It's only $30. Crazy mid-century case that wasn't here before. I love the smoothie. Man, that's awesome. And then, yeah, all kinds of crazy stuff. There's the Viking bird. That's got damage on it, though. I'm really into the Catherine home enamelware, actually. That's pretty neat. But over here, I just caught a glimpse of something insane. Oh my God. How much is the cat purse? We need to know, like, immediately. Also below it are some really nice glasses. A cool Blanco piece. Look at these glasses. Is this like the best case ever? Wow, look at the Fenton spittoon. That thing's neat. Is that Potosi, that giant beginning for Raymore pottery? That is wild. Yeah, we're gonna have to figure out how much that cat dish is for sure. I mean, cat dish, cat purse. Also, this cruel clock, that's really unusual. I've not seen anything like that before. You guys are never gonna believe what I'm about to show you. Look at the clocks. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Obviously, the lion is pretty amazing, but the poodle, I actually have never seen the lion version or that poodle. It's at $185. That is really epic. And I also think this is a really neat piece too. This lighted, that's neat. It's like a hood ornament. And this is a cool case too. By the way, I did get the cat purse. It had a little damage, but it was $32, so I kind of felt like it was fair. Man, these are really neat with the pinup girls in the convex frames. Check out this fan vase. This looks like it could be Czech. Oh man, that's pretty cool. $17.50 on that. Seems like a deal. This is a nice one too. I like the red on the side. It's pretty neat. Murano 69. It's got a little ding at the bottom too. Okay, so I've been bothered by the poodle clock. It's just so freaking cool. So I did look it up. I did a little research. It's by Kit Kat Clock Company, the same people who did the Felix the Cat clock, which I kind of figured because it's got the same vibe and look. I just never seen it before. And I looked on eBay, and honestly, there's a lot of them that have sold that have kind of gone under the radar because maybe a lot of people don't know they exist or whatever. But so if you're looking for that clock, me too. Hopefully one day we'll find it on the bay. No way. Check it out. Psycho Ceramics. The Big Mouth ashtray. $52 on that. That's actually not a bad deal. These are really hard to find. The condition is really good too. And then check this out. It's little Bambi. $20 on that. That's probably about what I'd get out of it after fees. And then the Tenala cat. $15. That's not a bad deal. Check this cat out. Japan. It's a planter. That's wild. This is where I pulled out all those cats last time. This one's at $16. That's a nice one. Nice pink tumble up. That's real pretty. $30 on that. Ooh, look at this. Vintage cat yarn holder. What? $2.50. Well, that's a no-brainer. I'll take that. Why is that $3? That's weird. Okay, but also check this out. Cool. Very neat. What is that? I don't know, but I'm just really focused on the Holt Howard Feather Angel. $75. They're definitely hip to it. We're gonna leave that there. And the lucite grapes with the little... That's so cute, the way they did that with the candle hugger. Some more uranium glass. Oh my gosh, the ice cream tin. Well, it's not a tin, it's just like a paper, but the graphic on it is everything. $5, I'll take that. That is so funky. Yeah, this is so cool. Look, the top is even in pristine condition. I've never seen that exact one with those graphics. It's amazing that something like this survived. Keeping with the tin theme, look at these neat recipe boxes. Ohio art. That's a nice one too. And the cow creamers, I like the one that says has a happy day. $14.50, that's about what I got from my last one after fees. What's going on back here? See the Cupid doll. That's cute. Oh my gosh, this monkey though. That's so sweet. He's at $20. And then how much is the Cupid? $30. They got a bunch of neat signs and displays in here. I love the barber pole. The paint sign is pretty neat too, but it's actually this that I'm just like obsessed with. The chocolates display. That's amazing. $3.45 on the case. Oh, I love that. Another awesome mid-century booth. This looks like Empoli. Wow, cased. That's so cool. I love the orange. This is a nice little planter. I like the ones that come in these metal stands. And it's got the original sticker. It's only $7, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. That's got a great MCM look to it. And I've had it in pink, but I don't think I've had it in this color. And if I have, it's been a really long time. They're not easy to find with the stands. Epic face pottery. So cool. And this is unusual too. Look at this milk glass frame with the rabbit on it. That is unusual, isn't it? This booth is so much fun. Oh my gosh. What is this thing? Oh, I think I saw this last time. Yeah, it's like a leather vase. It's signed too. It's really unusual. $25. I'm not sure how well that would do. I feel like it's special. It's really different. I don't know. I feel like it would be weird if I didn't pick it up, but it's also just not really my style. I don't know. I'm just not in the mood. I feel like that's weird, but it's really cool. Definitely unique, which is what I really look for. Look at the Heidi doll in the original case. That's so fun. Let's see, how much is she at? It's hard to find them in the cases. $20. That's actually not bad at all. Somebody wrote on the case, and the case actually has like a little bit of damage, but still, for a collector, that's a bargain. This is fun too, this like weird facial machine. I'm not sure what's going on there. Now that I'm super into. I know clowns are kind of hit or miss, but that Murano belt is so neat. Crazy case of vintage Halloween. So neat to see it all in one place like that. Couple things in here that stand out to me. One is the Rookwood owl. That is so cool. That's at $99. And then behind it, the like Art Deco style jar. That is so cool. And then what's that vase? It says Loach. $3.25. Also noteworthy, look at this box. Box with cat handle. That is so cool. I really like the vibe in this case, especially that beaded purse and the red enamel compact behind it. And then the mirror, look at that, the advertising mirror. So neat. I love stuff like that. The text on it is like making it next level. So cool. And it's like perfectly weathered. That's like something I would totally get for myself, I can't lie. All right, here's some fun ones. Well, the domino is definitely Bakelite. Can't tell if the hat is, but it's also $4. What does this one say? 35 on the butterscotch carved. And then the elephant, that's 25. I'm gonna have to get in this case. Some really interesting stuff. And then when you go over here, I love the hair comb. It's a really pretty hat pin. The tin and the Latticino paperweight, of course. It's really interesting looking. And they got all kinds of little compacts. Nice Van Briggle collection. And of course the mantle lusters. I love like that cut bohemian glass. Okay, but this booth is like super packed full of stuff. First thing I see in it is gonna be this little like Otajiri cat vase. That's so fun. It's definitely as is. It's broken right here. So I don't know how to feel about that. It's only like $3 though. Oh, that's a tough one. Let's see, what else is in here? There's all kinds of crazy stuff. What is this? Brass owl. Oh, it's a music box. I don't want anything singing to me on the way home. Nice pilgrim pinched. And then over here, all kinds of bells. This milk glass, this Fenton, that's really pretty. That's at $50. Probably like about where it needs to be. Look at the piglet spoon rest, how fun. And then more Fenton over here. I love the pink one. That's super pretty, 35. I love going into this booth. You have to really pay attention though. It's like super stacked in here. So much fun little stuff. Is this a Tanala paper mache turtle? That's cool. $17 on that. Hey, those are those pixies again. I think these ones are damaged. They were here last time. $10 each. Can't, yeah, so that one's got the chip and that one's really broken if I remember correctly. Dude, what is happening here? Artist made and signed glass bracelets. 28 each. Dude. I'm on the fence about those glass bracelets. They're $28 each, which seems like, I don't know, a little bit much to pay for resale. Maybe not. I love this rhinestone parrot thing. Really fun vintage clothing booth. This is cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh man, check out the Fenton ashtray. That's neat. 45 on that. Those are awesome. The Bakelite Scotty Dog especially. And then over here, check out this crazy K-Finch poodle. I'm actually really into this doll booth. It's a really nice display they have. Now, what is that back here? It's like some, probably like a diffuser or something. It's unsigned too. It's really neat looking. I really like these custard glass Northwood tumblers. Those are fun. They're $25 each. That's so fun. The color combination on them are awesome. And those glow under blacklight like crazy. Hey, here's something kind of epic. Check out the knee hugger elf on the mistletoe ball. That's only $15. I'm gonna get that and save it for my Christmas sale in November. That is so fun. All right, a nice little trip to Springfield Antique Center. I only spent $96 in there and I got some great stuff. So I'm gonna head back to the Heart and I'll see you guys, I don't know where I'll see you guys, but I'll see you.